Hey everyone! So I was working and taking a break, and then something amazing happened because you guys, come on! I begged you not to leave me just because I was taking a break, and you answered with giving me 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, it really means the world to me. No, this is not enough. Come in here. Ugly face to roll, come in here. Thank them.
Hello. Thank you so much.
Yeah, still not enough. Come in here, everyone. Thank you so much. It really means the world to me. I am just so humbled and so happy to have you as a community. It's awesome. Now we're actually big enough to call it a community. You know, this is not enough. Let's have some pizzazz in, yeah. Let's crank it up a notch. Yeah, let's have a party because we reached 100 subscribers.
Honey, you're not working, are you?
No, I'm just not here, honey. I'm coming. Bye, guys.